Hey guys, so welcome back to another tech update. So Cubot has announced the Pro version of the KingKong X, which is called the KingKong X Pro. Is a significant upgrade, guys. It is much more powerful than the KingKong X. So in this video, we explore its top features and specs. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So the KingKong X Pro is a hefty 392 grams rugged phone. The phone is also 18.5mm thick, so it's a substantial device. The device also features IP68 and IP69K ratings, which means it can handle dust, water, and extreme temperatures. The phone has a 6.72-inch Full HD Plus IPS display. The device also has a 1.85-inch rear display. The phone also has a 144Hz refresh rate, which ensures smooth scrolling and gaming. Under the hood, the MediaTek Dimensity 8200 octa-core processor delivers lightning fast performance, coupled with up to 24GB RAM and 256GB internal storage. The storage, of course, can be expanded up to 1TB using the microSD card. The device ships with the Android 14, which provides a smooth and intuitive user experience. And in terms of optics, the phone features a triple rear camera setup consisting of a 100MP main sensor, assisted by a 5MP macro lens and a 0.3MP sensor. The front-facing camera is 32MP, which is perfect for selfies and video calls. The phone packs a massive 10,200 mAh battery that ensures long-lasting performance even with heavy usage. The 33-watt fast charging technology gets you back to full power quickly. The device also supports reverse wired charging. The X Pro supports a wide range of network bands, including 5G, ensuring fast and reliable connectivity, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, and other essential navigation features. NFC and OTG functionality also adds further convenience. The phone also has a side-mounted fingerprint scanner and Face ID, which is meant to provide secure and convenient access to your device. A host of sensors including proximity, accelerometer, magnetic, gyroscope, and light sensors enhance the overall user experience. So these are the top features of the Cubot KingKong X Pro. It's currently available on AliExpress for $266. That's for the 12GB RAM variant, while the 24GB variant is sold for $309. So if you're interested, I'll probably put a link in the video description so you can check it out. Anyway, what are your thoughts about the Cubot KingKong X Pro? Feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.